My hustle, hurry world, loving myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I needed someone told me, oh, it's just a crazy old time. You can drag you down till you run out of peace. So party all night, see the music and lights, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no one around me, and suddenly you found me, oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, my reality. Everything I need, you're everything to me, oh boy. Everything good, everything fine, just to give, but I won't last today without you. Yesterday, I must face the world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. You'll always care, you're always there. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when the smallest of dreams won't come. Everything I want the world to be is now coming through, especially for me. And the reason is here is because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. On the top of the world again, get out of picture, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You're the beauty at the top of the world. On the top of the world, looking out of picture, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.
Ang ganda! Oh, next, post mo na.